Agile methodology is about the day and the week and the month. What do I need to get done by the end of this day? What do I need to get done by the end of the week? And what do I need to get done by the end of this month? These are short sprints. We should be able to identify these things and act accordingly. Let's let our actions line up with our expectations of what we actually have to do. I'm not against annualized goals. In fact, I'm going through a lot of goal setting with a lot of my clients right now. But at the end of the day, it's about your daily behavior and what are you doing habitually every day. And is that effort sustainable? I'm not here to tell you, well, if you don't do this, you're not going to blah, blah, blah. Here's the thing. You will be successful if you don't quit. And quitting is a combination of being overwhelmed with a lack of results that creates discouragement. How do you avoid discouragement? Because you need to have little wins. And you get little wins by setting a daily goal or a weekly goal, or maybe you're working in some kind of a project that you want to get done by the end of the month. For example, gosh, I really need to learn how to manage my social media better. Well, maybe that's not going to happen in a day or a week, but if you apply yourself for a couple of hours a week, maybe a month, maybe 6 weeks, you have a small sprint, and at the end of that point, you're going to have a victory. Please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, visit our website and schedule your free 30-minute evaluation.